Hello, good morning. Welcome back to JB Tigiano, your engineering and chemistry tutorial. Biochemistry po tayo. Sa mga hindi pa po nag-subscribe, please subscribe para po marami po tayong makakasama sa ating pag-aaral. So pare-pareho po tayo nag-aaral dito, no? So, thanks. Pag-usapan po natin yung acid and base, no? Acid and base. Okay, so acid and base ang ating pag-aaralan. So, karamihan daw, most of the substance found in the living system, in the aqueous cytosol, and in the extracellular fluids, including ions such as uh, Na plus at saka Cl negative, and biomolecules of all size carry ionization groups that are critical for biological activity. So the acid-base behavior of dissolved biomolecules is intimately linked with the associations of water. So kaya po papag-aralan natin yung acid-base, no? Acid-base, acid at saka yung base. Dahil yun na nga po, karamihan daw sa living system natin, hindi aqueous, pag sinabing aqueous, tubig, and in the extracellular fluids, kasama daw yung mga ions natin such as sodium plus. So yung plus sign meaning positive charge. Tapos itong chlorine natin, tapos may negative sign sa itaas is negative charge. Ions ang tawag dyan, ano? Okay. Tapos, meron tayong biomolecules of all size. Carry daw ionization groups that are critical for their biological activity. Kaya yung acid-base behavior of the dissolved molecules is intimately linked with the association of water. Okay, so water molecule is a weak electrolyte that they associate into photon. So, yung water molecule daw nag-de-associate sa kanyang photon. H plus ang tawag o ang symbol. At saka hydroxyl. Ion, ito yung OH negative, no? In this process, yung photon daw binds to adjacent water molecules to which it is hydrogen bonded to form hydrogen ion H3O+. This interaction is characterized by an equilibrium constant for acetic acid. Ito po yung formula. K sub A is equal to A sub HO plus ACH3COO negative over ACH3COOH AH2O, where A denotes the activity of the solute and solvent. See more on this below. So, dito natin ma-apply yung pinag-aralan natin doon sa general chemistry before, di ba? Yung solute and solvent. Okay, ito naman, acid base. Inaral din to sa general chemistry. Let's move on. So, in pure water daw, in pure water at 25 degrees Celsius, at any instant, there is 1 point times 10 raised to negative 7 mole liter na ano to H3O plus and an equal concentration of OH ions. Note that the photon is hardly ever bare in aqueous solution because of the very high affinity between one and water molecules. Sorry, between plus and ion molecules. This association of water is a dynamic exchange, no, process for which we can write equilibrium constant Ka, where E refers to the equilibrium and A is the equation refers to the thermodynamic activity of the various components. So, nagkaroon tayo ng ano rito, parang formula. Okay, na yun na nga. Yung A, H3O plus multiply times AOH negative over A square H2O. So, yung ating constant equilibrium K is equal to an A. In equation refers to the thermodynamic activities. Okay, in a dilute solutions sa pure water to, ito yung ating relationship. In a dilute solution, the activity of water is constant and very close to 1. The activity of solutes can be represented by their concentration. Thus, we define practical constant Kw called the ionic product of water. Ito naman yung relationship. Kw is equal to H3O plus times OH negative 1. Or as it is often used, Kw is equal to H plus times OH negative, where the hydration of the proton is ignored for simplicity and where the square brackets denotes concentration in mole per liter. Okay, so ito po yung tandaan natin, no? Sa sunod natin na video, we'll have the example using this relationship. Acid-base, yung kanilang mga constant, diba? Practical constant, at saka yung equilibrium constant ay atin pong gagamitin. Okay, yun na po muna ngayon. Thanks, bye.